Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am making mulled cider. I've been putting up the decorations all day and getting everything ready, and I'm feeling quite festive, but I'm gonna aid myself there with a bit of Christmas spirit, and this is coming in the form of mulled cider. Now I love a mulled wine, but mulled cider just makes me, it's just the most Christmassy thing ever, and it scents the whole house. So it's very simple. I have 2 liters of apple cider here, and I'm just warming that gently over a low heat. And next, I just need a few spices. This doesn't take long. So I want a couple of clementines. And they go. Then I have some cloves. I'm just going to drop in a couple of cloves. Some star anise. I just love this. It gives such a wonderful scent. It's almost licoricey. And in with a cinnamon stick as well. A couple of bay leaves. And then I have here a couple of cardamom pods as well, which I'm just going to flatten and bruise with the flat of the knife. And in they go. And next what I need is some light brown sugar, 1/4 cup measure. Keep things simple. And that's it. I can just let this just heat up and let the spices and the fruit all infuse with the cider. As quick as that, it's ready. Don't let it boil, you don't want to let it boil, you just want it to be warm. So off with the heat. I'm ready to ladle myself out some. And this will surely help me get through the rest of the decorating. So delicious. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and you give it a go, and give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and let me know your favorite Christmas drink. And I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new festive recipe. And now I'm going to get back to my decorating and my drink.